Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful farmhouse wall decor using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Starting off this video, I wanted to tell you guys about a new tea I've been taking called TWINE Blends. The company reached out to me and asked me if I could try out their tea. I said why not. I got the flavor Refresh and it has the perfect combination of sweet and mint flavor to it. The ingredients are dried mango, dried strawberry, mint tea, pink rose, and it also contains plant-based caffeine, so it doesn't really have a lot of caffeine, but it has enough to keep me going throughout the day, and I don't have a crash in the end of it. Since I do have 3 boys, I have to be busy, and I would always get coffee or energy drinks. Also, check out this adorable tumbler. They have a bunch of different colors to choose out of, but I went ahead and got the olive green since I didn't want something too bright. And it also has like a small compartment in the end of the tumbler that you can put vitamins or your leaves. If you guys decide to give this a try, I have a code Josy15 for 15% off. And I also wanted to say thank you so much TWINE Blends for sponsoring this video. And with all of that said, let's get started. Okay, so this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day and God bless.